Welcome to Tech Hunt. Today we are going to continue where we left off in our video how to install operating system. Like we have a CD or a pen drive, we install the operating system, all is dandy, we get the icons and the desktop and everything. But then your Wi-Fi won't work, your Ethernet port won't work, your sound drivers will not work accurately, your touchpad drivers will not work accurately. So what is the solution for your problem? Whenever you install the operating system, you need to install the necessary drivers for those hardwares. And to do so, what you have to do is, if you have a Dell laptop, let's say Dell 5010, then you open your browser and then just go to dell.com or you go to support.dell.com or separate, whichever model it is, brand it is, you go to that site and then you can install those drivers by putting in their service tag number or the model number. Well, this is a very this is the best practice. It's the best way to do it because you get the exact drivers, but it's time consuming, yet by the end of the day you will have your issue resolved. There is an easier way to do this. It's called all drivers, DRP. In that, like, we have a software called DRP. We can go to the website drp.su/en, and when the site opens we can click on this install driver. This will automatically install all drivers for your hardware automatically from the internet, no issues. But then let's say you're running a computer service center like me and you cannot always use the bandwidth for things like this every day for 10 computers. Then what you have to do is you can download the offline pack, and when you download the offline pack, what happens is you don't really have to go online all the time. One download of 13 GB can do the trick. I mean, this year it's DRP 17. Well, I recommend DRP 13 for models till 2010, and after that for every 2 years you can use the next version. So once you install the operating system, if you go to the device manager by typing the word device management.msc, you will get this kind of a device manager wherein you will have yellow exclamation marks. That means that the device is not been installed. So for you to install, post installation of the DRP, you will be able to see a device manager wherein everything is installed. Let's say instead of media controller you have sound drivers, Intel, Realtek, and SMBus. Everything is actually installed post driver installation. The Windows 10 installs all the major drivers and DRP has very little work to do. Or there is another software called 3D chip. You can install this and click OK. Sorry, one sec. Next. You can get this software from the site. Well, I don't know. Let's see. From 3D chip and download. Once you install this software, well, if the driver is not installed here, you will get the yellow exclamation mark because mine is not updated. So if I click over here, this will take me to the website which it finds best to download the relevant driver. We can use this instead of the support website of the manufacturer because I use this because it saves a lot of time. I keep this handy with me always because if I have this particular driver pack and the 3D chip, I am always good to go. So if I visit a customer's place wherein I need to install an operating system and drivers, then this tool at hand can give me the solution then and there. So I can download it from the site and then I can install it, and that's about it. This is very easy if you practice this a couple of times, and I'll give you the links for downloads in the video below. If you have any questions, do write back to us. We'll be more than glad to help you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.